Here the model of the eye, and as usual I want you guys to answer this as if you're taking the practical test. So for number 1, I am pointing to this part. Okay, that's number 1, just the white part. Okay, I'm pointing to the white part. And then number 2, I'm referring to this part. Okay, and then number 3, I want you guys to name this layer or the tunic. What type of layer is this? Okay, that's number 3. For number 4, I'll remove this. Okay, number 4, I want you guys to answer this brown thing, brown color. Okay, what is that structure? That brown color. And then number 5, I'll remove this. Okay, number 5, what is that structure? Okay, that structure, what is it? Number 6, so if I'll put this back, number 6, you see that blue thing? What do you call that? Okay, I'm referring to that structure, that blue color. What structure is that? And then number 7, I'm referring to the hole. Okay, the hole. And then if I remove that, what do you call this? This structure. Okay, what is that? And then number 9, I am referring to the cavity on this part. Okay, name the cavity. And then number 10, I am referring to the cavity on this part. Name the cavity on this part. Okay, number 11, I'll remove this. I want you guys to name this whole structure. Okay, what is that? Okay, and then number 12, I'm referring to this part. Okay, what is that? What structure is that? And number 13, the last one, it's very hard to find because of the color. You see there's like a light pinkish there. That one, what structure is that? Okay, I'm referring to that light pinkish color, that part, that one. Okay, what is that? No, you guys are ready? Let's answer this thing. Okay, so for number 1, I was pointing to the white stuff. Okay, the white structure is called the sclera. Okay, and then for number 2, I was pointing to this part. Okay, that structure is called the cornea. And then for number 3, I asked you guys what do you call this layer or the tunic. This is called the fibrous tunic. Okay, fibrous tunic composed of the sclera and the cornea. And then number 4, I remove this. I was asking for the brown part. Okay, what is it? So the brown part is called the choroid. Okay, choroid. And then number 5, I remove this. I was asking for that part. Okay, the white part. See, the white part only. So that's the ciliary body. And then number 6, I was asking for this part. I said the blue color thing. Okay, blue structure. That's the iris. That's the one that gives color to the eye. And number 7, I said the hole. Okay, so this is the pupil, and that's where the light passes through. Okay, number 8, I asked what is this structure. This structure is called the lens. Okay, and then number 9, I was asking for what cavity is this in here. So this is the anterior cavity. Okay, the cavity from here to here is called anterior cavity, and then past that, that's posterior cavity. And then number 11, I removed this thing, and then I was asking for that structure. What is that? So that is the retina. Okay, and then for number 12, I was referring to that part. Okay, so that's the optic disc. Okay, that's for blind spot. And then 13, I was referring to that small dot in pink. That's the fovea. It has the highest visible acuity on this part. Okay, so there you go, guys. Just keep on practicing until you master this.